What is up, guys? Happy Sunday. Oh y'all, I'm looking real cute today. So this is the new hair color with makeup. So I did my face today. So I went to church. And yes, honey. Oh, wait. But yeah, I'm loving this new hair color. Y'all, I feel like the Little Mermaid with this hair color, and I just love it. But it's nice out today. I have on this long sleeve dress with some tennis shoes. Don't mind my phone in my boob because I had to put it somewhere so I could hold the camera. But this is what I look like today. And me and mom are about to go to the mall just to walk. And I need to get me some pajamas out of Victoria's Secret, so I'm going to go do that. But yeah, y'all, that's what I have planned for today. I'll come back and talk to y'all. Alright, y'all, me and mama at the mall. Hi. First they see Dillard's in the back. Yeah, we just came out of Dillard's. He got his hair all spiked up like he a Super Saiyan. I like that. That's what I've been trying to find me one of those, but I want it to have a zipper on the front of it. Oh, there's some good little light. Wait, the sun got come back. You see the light? It's still lighting. Yeah, this is my favorite store. That's my favorite store. Matter of fact, we probably can find your wine enough for probably cheaper.
Who, mine?
The one that you like, the Ventura.
Oh.
That one at Walmart was like $15.
Is this store ever open?
No.
I mean, are they by appointment only? Because it's
never open. I don't know.
I don't even see anybody in there.
I don't know. She look cute. I like her boots. I need boots like that.
Yeah, you need some boots, period.
Yeah, because mine, you told me not to get my, it don't make no sense for me to get the tap fixed.
Huh?
You said it didn't make no sense to get the tap fixed.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did. You said you might as well get another pair.
Oh, because they were stuffed up real bad or something?
No, my tap, the only thing that's missing is my tap.
I don't know if I said that about that. You talking about that good
My
boot.
Vince Camuto.
I don't know if I said that about Vince Camuto. Now, maybe some other boots you had in your closet.
No. Well, because you asked me why I wasn't wearing it, I said my tap on it is gone. I don't know.
And I think you might need to get that fixed. It's Vince Camuto.
Right. That's why it's still in my closet. And it needs to be polished.
I need to put some cushion on my boot.
It needs to be polished.
And maybe that's probably why I said it, because it looks so dull. Maybe that's what it was.
Yeah, it just needs to be polished.
So now we're going to my mom's favorite store.
Right. Cause she loved Express. Y'all, she left dinner early yesterday, so she go to some Express. Now who does that?
I didn't leave dinner early. I went to Express before dinner.
She left dinner early.
I left the house early.
Oh, so that's why you left so early, because I thought you said dinner was at 5. She left the house early to go to Express. Now we in here again. Now that was yesterday, y'all.
But that was not this one. So this not the shirt itself. It's like everything can't be like that. I had this in a black the last time, and I should have bought that.
Where are the employees at? The whole time she was driving straight towards us. Put your mask on.
Now you know I'm about to walk in here quickly.
Yeah, I know. Oh, you know. I didn't even realize you put tennis shoes on.
Oh, that's what I was doing in the back seat.
I thought you was taking your boot off because you be taking your boot off.
No, but I put on mine.
We need a burger.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello. Sorry. Okay.
You're welcome.
But it rolls. So let's get it. Okay.
I asked Ian if he'd get me for Valentine's Day. He talking about, I probably was just gonna send you $100. I said, that's not from the heart.
That is from the heart. Then you can always go get what you want with it.
That's what he told me. He said, then you can get what you want. I said, well, you at least gotta send me some flowers or something.
Oh, that's when you talk about the flowers?
Yeah. I'll still take the $100 too if you want to give me that.
Yeah.
Why don't you come on this side to go up?
Huh?
You going up the wrong side.
Oh, yeah.
This Walmart different.
Yeah.
Why'd you? Oh,
Huh?
never mind. You know where you're going. I don't.
I really don't. I was thinking about because health and beauty is over there with grocery.
Oh, see, you know, like I said,
Well, this is
don't.
like my third time.
Yeah, I don't come to this Walmart. I don't know. And you trying to mouth stuff to me, and you got this mask on. I don't know what you're saying.
Be quiet. I don't know why I'm with you in this world. You were quiet.
I kind of want some of these organizers for my drawer.
For your who?
For the drawer, like in the bathroom.
Do you know they still carrying the Danny set?
Popular.
Apparently.
See, these for to sew the stuff, not just thrown in there.
Yeah. I still want me some steel rugs. I haven't found them yet. Okay.
You want till rugs for your bathroom?
Yeah. So I just always, when I'm in Walmart, I'll look to see if they have any offer. And then we're going on and do our shopping.
Show if you're talking about now you know how I feel. I don't know what she's talking about. I don't be trying to look like her. I just be wanting to borrow stuff. It's a difference. It's a difference. Right. I just want to borrow it. I'm not trying to look like her. Thank you.
Good.
And that's what she failed to realize. But it shouldn't have been having it on in the store in the first place.
They lost it in the store. You lose your bonnet in the store.
That's what I be saying. I don't understand. Y'all, if you wear a bonnet coming out to this store, don't do that. That's embarrassing. Just don't do it. That's why people think that's what we do. We don't do that. That's embarrassing.
Before I forget, I need to go look for some work meetings.
Okay. I think I'm...
You think you what?
I might have to get me a sushi roll. Curve the little... I'm get it from the cheaper place. I ain't going to Fujiyama be playing. Their prices are extremely too high.
Let me tell you, what Friday prices to me, in my opinion,
I wasn't going there either.
they have escalated.
I was gonna go to the other place.
Why did George seem so much? I don't think you're going to get work team. They playing. Oh, here we go.
Alright guys, we back home and whatnot, and I'm editing this video. Listen, I'm so cold, but this robe that I got out of Victoria's Secret is bomb, okay? Like, bomb. I'm so warm in it. So if you don't have one, go get one. I definitely recommend it, especially y'all up north, because baby, y'all got so much snow yesterday and last night. Like, what's going on? Do y'all normally get snow like this? Like my this guy I know that lives in Chicago, his whole bed of his truck was filled with snow. Like, he let the back down to get up there, and the snow pretty much came up to his knees in the bed of his truck. So yeah, I don't know what y'all got going on, because I'm a Florida girl and I don't do all that snow stuff. Most we get is some rain, and I'm okay with the rain. I like the rain. If I had a porch, y'all, I would sit out on the porch and watch the rain. But I I've decided that I'm the Little Mermaid now. Because that's what my hair reminds me of, is a black Little Mermaid. So that's what we're going for. I'm actually exporting the vlog right now so that I can get that out this evening. And yeah, I need to sit down and record this hair video. Like, I don't know why I'm procrastinating, but I gotta do better. I've been doing better, so like I gotta stay doing better and constantly like doing what I'm supposed to be doing, because I'm getting the results that I'm looking for. Like, basically, like, I'm very happy that I'm able to share content with y'all. So I'm gonna keep doing what I'm supposed to be doing and sharing this content with y'all.